super excited. Cannot wait to step on the stage. The mix is awesome here. It's incredible. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, we are Megara and this dream is about to start. We are going to be on a stage in a few minutes to do our first rehearsal. We can't wait to see all we made. Thank you so much, we hope you enjoyed it.
Quieres ser lobo feroz, quieres ser patético mal menor.
Hey guys, my name is Nutsa. Today we are having our first rehearsal and we are so excited. We cannot wait until we're gonna go on stage and burn the stage, but then we're gonna put out the fire.
Are you still playing the game?
Hey, Misty here. So that's it. It's the first rehearsal. It's both exciting, a bit stressful, but yeah, I can't wait. Just now, in a few minutes, I think. I can't wait to discover this huge stage. It's the first time, so it's a bit weird but exciting at the same time. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Told us it was paradise, but I'll barely make it through the night. Do you think about it too? Are you still playing the game? Breaking my rules. Think about it too. Are you still playing the game? So far, I'm gonna make this tonight. I got so far.
Me pole narko, acá, que ser. me pole narkomaanid, pole midagi teinud, kleidid meie seljas on prügikasti leid, politsei kroonika ja suvilas on reid, ainus kott, mis näha täis pandipudeleid, me pole narkomaanid, pole midagi teinud, kleidid meie seljas on prügikasti leid.
Broken from this hurricane, this hurricane. Hi, I'm Evan from Israel, and I'm super excited to go on stage and see you for the first time. Come with me.
Fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. Every day I'm losing my mind. From this hurricane.
Hi!
We are Guarda, and we're so excited for going on stage now for the first time. It's huge.
Ga meg en hand som uveglad.
Car, coast, hoef geen vis en chips, hoef geen paël, ja, no, weet niet eens echt wat dat is. Zet de radio aan, ik hoor Stromae met papa goed, ik zal nu stoppen tot ze zeggen, ja, dat doet hij goed, hé.
Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europa,
Bezoek mijn friends en friends, of neem mijn benen naar Wenen. Ik wil met een netnest, maar mijn paspoort is verdwenen. Gelukkig geen visum nodig om bij te zijn, dus de bus naar boven op de